My name is Bonnie Gillette. Let's talk about Originality Reports in Google Classroom and how they can help you. Originality Reports are a fast way to teachers to ensure authenticity of their students' work, check against plagiarism, and check for citations and ensure students are turning in the best version of their work. The first step to getting an Originality Report is creating that assignment. So let's go. I'm in my Hogwarts classroom. I'm going to click on the classwork tab and go to my big create button, create an assignment. I'm going to stick with my Hogwarts theme. I already typed my instructions, ready. You can obviously still add any attachments. Make sure it's assigned to all of my students. I'm going to go ahead and set my due date for Monday at 8 a.m. But the most important thing I'm going to do is check this check plagiarism box. So once I check that, that's going to add this functionality to my assignment. And when students turn in their work, I'm going to have access to that Originality Report for the work that they submit. So I've done all I needed to do, and now I'm going to hit assign and wait for my students to submit. Okay, now I have some students that have gone in and submitted their essay. So I'm going to go back to the assignment, return to my classwork tab, and see my assignment right here, and I can see all of my submissions. So I have my students that have submitted it. I'm going to view their assignment just like if I was grading it. I have all those options like to grade it, the private comments, all right here, but you also notice that you have an option now to see 7 flagged passages, and it's going to tell you what sites it came from, if any of them are cited, because students might be citing sources. That's what we want them to do. And so the artificial intelligence that runs these reports is also going to look for that. So I can see right here, basically the whole thing is plagiarized, which we know. We copied this from the internet for this purpose. So you can see all the sites it came from, and I can, speak to my student about this Originality Report whenever I return it to them. So if you've got any more questions, reach out to me at bgillette@edrschools.org. Or if you've got any cool tips or insights for how you're using it, please share. Thanks for watching.